Smartphone brands are reportedly gearing up to launch new flagship devices in China by the end of this year. The brand is expected to introduce a Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 powered smartphone in Q4 2025. The iQOO 13 launched without a Pro version last year. Speculation suggests that its successor will mark the return of the Pro variant. iQOO might skip the number 14 and name its next flagship the iQOO 15, as the number 4 is considered unlucky in some Asian cultures. A recent leak from tipster Smart Pikachu has revealed key specifications while referring to the device as the iQOO 15 instead of iQOO 14. The iQOO 15 will feature a flat OLED panel with a 2K resolution, eye protection features, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint scanner. The device is said to pack a massive 7,000 mAh battery and include a periscope telephoto camera. The iQOO 15 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, however this leak seems to primarily refer to the iQOO 15 Pro rather than the standard iQOO 15, which is set to debut in October 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.